Good morning, dear students of class 7th. Today, the chapter Fabric from Fibers that has been completed, and now it is turn of keywords and exercises. So, try to take out your book and copies, homework copies. And first, I would like to explain the keywords given at the end of the chapter and later on exercises. First one is what are cocoons? The covering of the fine silk fibers around the caterpillar. The covering of fine silk fibers around the caterpillar is called cocoon. I told you that whenever caterpillar feeds on the mulberry plants, later on when it grows into adult, it starts secretion of a chemical, and that chemical gets solidifies and wrapped around the insect, and finally it forms the cocoon. Then second one is the fleek. Fleek is the body coat of fine soft hair of the animals like sheep and goat. That is a body coat of the fine soft hair of animals. And generally you know very well the sheep, yak, wild goat and camel. These are the animals from which the wool and wool is reared. So, a body coat of fine containing these soft hairs is known as fleek. Then reeling, the process of taking out silk threads from the cocoon. The process of taking out silk thread from the cocoon is called reeling. Now scoring, washing the seared wool in hot water and detergent, followed by the drying. Washing the seared wool in hot water and detergent followed by the drying is called scoring. What is sericulture? It is the rearing and management of silk moth. To get silk from them is called sericulture. What is shearing? The process of removal of fleek from the body of sheep, goat, camel, etc. The process of removal of the fleek from the body of animals is called shearing. And these days shearing is being done by big razors or machines. Then sorting. The process of separating hairs of different textures. The process of separating hairs of different textures by the laborers, that is called sorting. I told you that whenever large number of laborers they are involved in this sorting process, they are classifying, they are separating the long fibers one side, mediocre fibers one side, and the smallest fibers one side. And if animals are suffering from bacterial disease like anthrax, then there is a maximum possibility that the people who are involved in this work, they will also suffer from sorter's disease. Now it is the turn of exercises. So first you have to write the keywords and then exercises, that is fill in the blanks. The hairy body coat of sheep and goat is called fleek. Just we have discussed. Shearing of the body coat of sheep is called shearing. That is being done by big razors or machines. And then cleaning of fleek to remove dirt and grease is called scoring. Then the process of separating hairs of different textures by the laborers, that is called sorting. Rearing of silkworms to obtain the silk is called sericulture. And the process of separating silk fibers from cocoons is called reeling. And finally, the silk thread is made up of proteins, because it is a kind of protein that the silkworms generally secrete through their mouth when they grow into adult form. So take out your homework copy and start writing.